Before I tell you the details, trust me on this. Click the link in the description and save it. You'll want to check it out later. I first heard about this product because people online wouldn't stop talking about it. I was skeptical at first. You know how the internet is. But once I actually tried it, I understood exactly why it's getting so much attention. The performance is smooth, the design feels strong and well made, and the best part is that it's incredibly easy to use. I didn't need tutorials or hours of setup. It just works immediately. But here's what surprised me the most: the quality. It genuinely feels better than most